classic French savoury cake made easy. Sauté diced onions, red capsicum, French beans, and turkey ham. Then in the bread pan, add 3 eggs, caster sugar, milk, olive oil, and salt. Select cake from the menu and let it mix for about 12 minutes. Open the lid and mix in flour, baking powder, and the sautéed fillings. Let the bread maker do its work, and voila! Seamless balance of sweetness and savoury in this incredible classic French appetizer. Perfect!
Panasonic.